Hey guys, Jeremy Peterson with Marsh Kalkaska, and today I wanted to go over some voice recognition commands and tips for your Uconnect system. And to start, we have the voice recognition button. It's located on your steering wheel and looks like a man speaking. And there's also a microphone array overhead. Both of these features were designed with the driver in mind, as voice recognition works best from the driver's seat. You can use the voice recognition button for many things in your vehicle, the most common being to use in conjunction with Siri Eyes Free, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. To start, give the voice recognition button a quick tap and wait for the beep. The beep is to let you know that voice recognition is ready and waiting for your input command. You'll also notice that the system lowers the volume automatically to hear you better and raises the volume back up once your command has been executed successfully. When issuing a command, speak naturally as if you're having a conversation with the car, and keep pauses in your speech to a minimum, as this may affect the system's ability to understand your command. It's also important to remember that voice recognition performance can be negatively affected by ambient noises from within the vehicle cabin, such as high fan speed settings, other sources of audio or music within the vehicle, or even open windows making wind noise, or loud construction noises outside, or even driving on a bumpy road. If you minimize these other sources of noise, it can greatly improve your experience with voice recognition. These commands are available system-wide and can be used at any time at your convenience. Help will give you a list of suggested voice commands, repeat to listen to those commands again, and cancel to stop a voice session at any time. Once again, my name is Jeremy Peterson with Marsh Kalkaska. You can find all of my contact information in the video description below. Make sure to subscribe for more content, and as always, here at Marsh, we are dedicated to meeting our customers at their needs, whether at one of our dealerships or with our online sales process. We are happy to bring you any vehicle for a test drive, deliver your newly purchased vehicle, and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for choosing Marsh.